So I'm crazy enough to have 2 houses at once. I know the pros do this all the time, but I am not yet a pro. This is a hobby turned profession. So I am at the AirBNB 2, and this one is going to be a 1 to 2 person, maybe if they're traveling with a baby, not 6 like the other one. And look, taxi going by. We're not even like where people take Uber. We're near the taxis. Now we're close to I-75 in Atlanta, close to the Big Chicken if you're from Marietta, and it's a really great location for business travelers. So I'm going to show you. So basically I bought this house on November 4th. There was a tenant living there, a little old lady who was paying next to nothing for rent, and the gentleman owned it outright, so he didn't really care what the rent was. I care because I actually have a payment on this. So it's December 1st. She was supposed to be out November 14th, 15th, and she exceeded her time. We had to go through like really pressing her to get out. We tried to find her another place. And anyway, I think she's going to stay somewhere momentarily, but it cost me every day that I sit here on this house. So I've got to get started. My goal was to have it ready and listed on Airbnb by January 1st. We'll see, that might happen January 15th. Anyway, I'm gonna go give you a tour, and keep in mind, somebody just lived here until this morning. It is filthy, and I don't even know how anyone would live like this, but I'm excited to have it, so let me show you. Okay, so I'm outside the house. We've got piles of trash there. We have, look at it. Let's flip it around, I'll show you. All right, here it is. I don't have a name for this yet. The lady loved birds. When you open the door, a ton of birds go flying off. And there is a giant bird cage inside. So I don't know, maybe I'll call it the birdhouse. But really I want it to be a really classy place. So I don't know what we'll do. Look at how cute this little porch is. It's got a backyard. It's just kind of like a little triangle. I won't waste your time with that. Hey look, there's the school bus. Okay, so check out the porch. She left me some chairs. I will take that firewood home. Look at this. Okay, so this is cute, and I will keep it. I'll just put a new screen in it. All right, that security is not working. Oh, almost closed my finger. But look, so listen, nothing in this house is straight. So there's lots of slants and creaks, but these floors are really pretty. I think she had dogs. It's gonna take a lot of cleaning to make sure that this is gonna be an allergy-free house, but there's the bird cage. She had a really cool fireplace. That's the bus. There's lawn care, blowers, and school buses going by. This I will refinish. Look at that. And it'll probably just stay here. I think it's gonna look great. Don't even know if I can repurpose this or sell it. Pretty bad. Oh my gosh, what is that? I hope that that's not somebody's lunch. Thanks for the tube TV, and I appreciate you sweeping up the trash. Fantastic. Okay, so dining room. This is really, really cute. The layout of this house is so perfect for just a couple people. You know, like I said, living room. That's the front door right there that goes to a little porch. Dining room, kitchen. Look, that's gross. Thank you again for sweeping. We got bugs all over the walls. Here is the kitchen. Looks like at some point somebody brought in clean cabinets, but not the best. This is the kitchen. And I am standing in the laundry room. Thanks for the stove. Thanks for leaving that. Thanks for sweeping. Look at that, just hair. You can't see in here. Wait, can I do it? It does look like I have a fairly new water heater. Back door here. Oh my gosh. Does it even work? Oh my gosh. So this is a little pointless. I'm not sure where you'd go. I'm not sure what that's for. Why you can't just go in the front door. Anyway. All right, so we're back in the dining room, living room, birdhouse, and a little hallway here. That's weird that they would run that there. I don't know if that's access to the crawl space. That's clearly not working, that alarm system. I'm not quite sure about that closet. What's happening there? So sweet of you to sweep all that up for me. Nice closet. All I need to do is really paint those shelves and just clean the heck out of it. Look at the bathroom. So that tile is dated. Adult love pedestal sinks, but there's not a lot you can do in this tiny space. Toilet is crooked and like way off the wall there. But the tub is in really good condition. Look at this. I can clean that. The walls are nice, but look at this. So I can live with that tile on the wall, but look, you're showering in sheetrock. It's the weirdest. Who has sheetrock on half their shower wall? So I don't know. So this is the master. Again, look at these nice floors. I really hope that we can clean and buff them. And I mean, the color is really pretty. There's a couple water spots, see, like that. But I really hope we can salvage them. I'll tell you, the ceilings are kind of a plaster sort of finish, and they are fine. They really fit the age of the home. They're not popcorn. And it's pretty creaky. Torn up blinds. So yeah, I gotta figure out what all these bugs are that are everywhere. Really hoping it's not termites or something like that, because then I have a whole other problem. Still not something we can't figure out. Look at this. I mean, who just spills stuff and doesn't even know they did it? Lord help me. Okay, here's bedroom. So this is back from the master closet, weird air duct closet, bathroom, and then, you know, turn left, the dining room is over there. And then this is the second bedroom, but because of what I want to do with this Airbnb, this will be set up as an office, a really good working office, so that if anybody is traveling here, they can look out this window. Even though it's a tiny yard, it's really nice, peaceful, pretty, and this would be a great place to work. Little closet. I can feel, like, on the floors, I can feel that they're going like, meh. But again, the age of the house. So this will be an office, and I may do a nice sofa that turns into a futon or something like that. We have just stuff flying around. See that? This one's definitely dirty. But look, these windows are fairly new. There's my car. Window seals need to be cleaned up, but overall, I'm really pretty happy with this little house. I think that it's gonna be a quick turn. Look at the front door. It's just all jacked up. Sheetrock repair, door repair. She said she was gonna come get all this trash off the porch, but I guess not. Yeah, because look. It's like all that was spilling out of the bag. So, and then it's only like, I don't know, $3 or $4 for this wood. Only maybe $3 or $4, but I'll take it home and burn it. Ah, save me $5. It's kind of a cream colored siding. Hunter green bottom. Olive green shutters, black roof. So we'll change the color scheme just slightly, but it is tan or cream vinyl, so that will just get pressure washed. and some wood rot and things like that replaced on the porch and that bowed column there. But it should be a really nice little place. I think people will find it very peaceful to stay here. All right, there's your tour.